Welcome to 309 Holland Street, located in the popular 55 plus and pet-friendly community of Colony Cove in Ellenton, Florida. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is ready for you to move in and call home. It has a double-wide driveway and room for another car parked tandem under the carport. We are entering from the front of the home across a front porch with seating, perfect for relaxing and waving to your friendly neighbors. Here we have a wide open floor plan with beautiful laminate flooring installed just 6 months ago. Plenty of room for any living room furniture. It has a beautiful kitchen with an island and room for a dining room table in front of the windows. Gorgeous gray cabinetry and beautiful countertops with newer matching black appliances. As we head down the hallway, on the left is the first carpeted guest room that can easily be converted into an office or craft room. The full guest bath is conveniently located between the guest rooms. Here is the second guest room, also carpeted and easily used for a den, craft room, or office. Here we have the master bedroom, easily accommodating a king-size bed. Notice the nice carpet and great walk-in closet. This is a wonderful master bathroom with dual vanities, tons of storage, and a walk-in shower. Colony Cove is known for its resort-style amenities and vibrant social atmosphere. Residents have access to 5 spacious clubhouses, 6 heated swimming pools, and 2 modern fitness centers, pickleball, tennis, and shuffleboard courts, dog park, billiards room, game room, and library, providing plenty of opportunities to stay active and meet neighbors. Please don't miss out on this wonderful opportunity to live in this well-maintained home. Call Andrew Harmon at 603-986-4540.